Good morning, YouTube community. Today is Tuesday, October the 15th, 2019. And this video is different because I'm just giving an update. If you have been watching my channel, you have seen probably in the last couple days, I've been posting, I call them new videos from the old archive. I have videos going back to 2011 when Little Man was born, and I decided to put those up on YouTube on my channel. Please subscribe so that you can see those videos. I have enough videos in the archive that I'll be posting a new video from the archive every day for the next 6-7 months. So yeah, I have a lot of videos from going back to 2011 when Little Man was born. It's a cold Tuesday morning, and I'm going to work now. I just dropped him off at school. That's his school over here in front of me. And on top of posting a new video every day from the archives, I'll also continue posting the regular videos that I do every day or every other day. So hopefully you're gonna subscribe so that you can see his progress when he was just a few days old, and now he just turned 8 a couple weeks ago. So they grow so fast, and I'm sure you're gonna enjoy those videos. You know, it's always fun, something different every day. And if you're a subscriber, I do appreciate your subscription, and if you're not, please click the button below and subscribe so that you can continue to see new content, which I'll be posting every day, in addition to the regular videos that I do every day or every other day. So I'm gonna go drive to work now, and I appreciate your time. Thank you.